Managing multiple vehicles is no simple task, and constantly checking in isn't exactly efficient. Keep Truckin's Vehicle Gateway has real-time GPS tracking, so you can instantly see where your vehicles and equipment are, and where they've been. Now you can plan better routes and share more accurate ETAs, keeping customers happy and saving your business time and money. Let's build a better way to work.
Good morning, sir. My name is JUAN and my matching number is 820A1394. Actually, with the transition of business process from offline to online has now become a trend in the modern age. Companies will need to find new and creative ways to improve their ways of doing business in order to stay competitive in the business world. The purpose of innovation is to make improvement or add new features to existing product or service. Innovation should be creative and useful when done by any organization to increase value and bring in more benefit to the organization. So, our group found that various numbers still have their limitation to their customer to track their parcel. My group expects the detachable GPS tracker is to help customer track parcels, reduce the trouble of customer to customer service and cargo drivers. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, more and more customers have used online shopping to buy their goods. The logistics companies must ensure the safety of parcel customers by preventing parcel customers have being lost.
A very good day to my lecturers and fellow friends. I am Lee Jun Hong from Group 22 and I'll be explaining the motivation for innovative idea of using the GPS tracker in parcel delivery. First of all, I would like to state our main objective in this assignment is to clarify the problems faced by customers and logistic companies and give some innovative solutions to overcome them. During our brainstorming sessions, we have found out that although logistics systems have been improving rapidly, there are still cases of customers haven't received their parcels even though it has been shipped to them, and cases of parcels that has gone missing during management. The main reason is that with the ever-increasing number of people shopping online or ordering online, logistics companies cannot keep track of every information at high volumes, leaving some parcels not marked for shipping. And we have found out that existing tracking methods such as following the tracking number given by logistics companies is not effective enough to pinpoint the location of every parcel, since the location only pinpoints their respective pickup vehicle only. So, our solution is that every parcel is to be equipped with an individual GPS tracker tag and be given their own individual tracking code, whereby customers will only track the code of an individual parcel. That way, customers will have a clear image of their parcel's whereabouts and inform them if they ever gone missing. And that is it for me. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Nathan. My number matrix is 820A1321. Today I want to present about the part of problem statement. The company faces two interconnected difficulties. For the first is customer service and cargo drivers face more confusion, and the second is missing the packages. These two problems can endanger many organizations and increase the cost. The first problem is customer service and cargo drivers face more confusion. We discovered the first problem that customers consistently report or ask the logistics company where their packages are going. This situation which adds to the workload of customer services staff and the cargo drivers. The second problem is that missing packages always happen. There are a lot of problems with missing packages. Companies need a tracking system to help their customers find their packages. Besides that, companies need an anti-theft tracking system to prevent customers' packages from being stolen or robbed during transportation. As long as these tools exist, the company can reduce the loss of compensating customers.
Next is model. The shape of detachable GPS tracker is circle because circles has no beginning or end just like logistics. Next, its size is middle because it allows driver to notice the detachable GPS tracker needs to be taken out. And the last is the detachable GPS tracker is magnetic. We will attach a magnetic tape to the outer layer of each package so that the detachable GPS tracker can be attached to it by the magnetic tape.
A very good day to my lecturer and fellow teammates. My name is Lee Jun Hong, matrix number A20A1410. Today, I'll be explaining how logistics companies can implement this GPS tracker in their parcel delivery. First of all, I would like to explain more about the GPS tracker. It is a tracker that is designed and created to be the size of a small circular battery. We chose this design because of its small form factor and ease of carrying, since the tracker can be used many times. The tracker is battery powered because battery can be replaced regularly when there is not enough power. The process of using the tracker is as such. Before a logistics company is ready to ship an order, they will need to key in the necessary information and scan the tracker tag. After these steps are done, workers can place the GPS tracker on the magnetic strip or tag that has been placed beforehand. The tracker will magnetically attach to the strip, securing its place. Customers will be provided a tracking code and they can track their parcels with the GPS tracker via their chosen logistics carrier app. Once the customer has received the order, the tracker tag is then removed, reprogrammed, and then used again for the next order. Thus, the cycle is repeated. And that is the end for my part. Thank you.
Lost parcels are a common occurrence for a logistics company, but lost parcels will bring many problems to the logistics company, such as the company reputation and the confidence from the customer will be greatly reduced. Our expected contributions to this assignment is to help logistics company and their customer accurately track the direction of each parcel, thereby reducing the risk of the lost parcel for logistics company. Therefore, we have to create the detachable GPS tracker so that logistics company and customer can clearly see where the parcel is going and quickly solve the problem of parcel loss. Because they can clearly see the roadmap, time, and date of each parcel through their mobile phone, so as to prevent the parcel from being lost or missing in transit. This detachable GPS tracker also adds a new feature, which is the series. When the delivery man lost the parcel, the detachable GPS tracker will send an alarm notification on the delivery man's mobile and will also display the roadmap, time, and stop place. This detachable GPS tracker can be reused time and time again for even more saving. Because this detachable GPS tracker can be used multiple times, logistics company can delete the data in the detachable GPS tracker and enter the new data to use it again. We believe that this detachable GPS tracker will be widely used in logistics in the future because it is effectively help the logistics company reduce the problems of many missing parcels.
Stay with me through the strange emotion. You and I, we will make it through. Yeah, let's go into the unknown, letting our lives flow Together we'll lose control. I know that lately I've been acting crazy. We gotta let this feeling roll. You know I'm counting on you now running. Stay with me, let it keep on coming. You and I need to hold on to you. Yeah, as the world is in constant motion. Who knows? Crazy as life goes, that we'll write a story we tell to a very own. So let's live, lost in the moment, taking it all in as we go. You know I'm counting on you now running. Stay with me, let it keep on coming. You to hold on to you, as the world is in constant motion. You stay with me through the strange emotion.